Alright, for step one of this activity, you're going to need 3 different colored crayons or markers, and I'm just going to ask that you color each view a different color. So what you would see in your front view should be one color. In this case, I have it orange. Your top view should be another color. In this case, I have it green. And then your side view should be another color, and in this case, I had mine yellow. So now as you start your technical drawing, what I'd like you to do is come up 2 blocks and make a straight line across your page. Put your name, date, and project across the bottom as you see here. And then we're going to start our drawing. So remember, we start 3 blocks in and 3 blocks up, and we always start our front view in the lower left corner. So I'm starting that now, and if you look at the dimensions of your drawing, we know we have a 1.25 overall height, and we have a 2-inch overall length. Keep in mind, each block is a 1/4 inch, so there's 4 blocks for each inch. So you might have to do a little bit of math, or maybe count them from my video here. So right now, all I'm doing is creating everything that I had colored in orange in that previous step. As I come through here, each one of those little blocks that I had colored orange are going to be put next to each other. Please take your time and try to visualize this. This might be a little bit more difficult than the tissue box we started with that was really very rectangular in shape. So now as we get different features here, you'll notice it'll be a little bit more difficult. So again, the front view is always in the lower left corner as we did here. And now as we move into our top and our side view, we're going to use these special lines. Anybody remember what they're called? That's right, everybody should be saying projection lines. These are the lines we use to project our dimensions into our top and side view. Okay, by doing this, you're going to make sure you're on the same lines and that have the same length, width, and depth as we move into our other drawings. Remember, we keep similar spacing between each view. So you're going to skip 4 spaces to start your top view, and you'll skip 4 spaces to start your side view. Alright, my overall depth when I start my top view was 1.5, so 6 blocks. Alright, we do have it separated because there's almost a step in that. So you'll see that little step there, which just looks like a straight line when you look straight down on it. And then we'll try to keep this other profile that we see colored in our other color. Mine was green, but if you look straight down at this object, this is what you would see for a top view. Is this drawing done yet? What is missing? That's right, the label. None of these are done until you label your drawing. The top view is always above your front view. And now we will start our side view. All right, our total depth, again, was 1.5. Our height's already mapped out from our projection line, so you shouldn't have to figure that out again. But again, it's always a good idea to double check. All right, so now I'm showing everything that I had colored in yellow. You may have had it in a different color, but this was everything that we would see from the side view. And at this point, I'm bringing my last line on, and everybody's saying, yeah, one last thing to do, and hopefully that's label my drawing. All right, and that is your side view that's always to the right of your front view. All right, so that's what your final drawing should look like.